And next topic is characteristic table and excitation table for SR flip-flop. First is the truth table for SR flip-flop. Truth table for SR flip-flop. S means set and R is reset. Okay. Here the S, R, Qn plus 1. This is the next state. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In truth table, before video you learn it. Here S is 0 and R is also 0. This is no change state. That is the Qn. Okay. Qn is the present state. This is the no change state. Previous here the present state is 0 and next state is also produced 0, and next set is 0 and reset is 1. Then it is next state is reset, and set is 1, reset is 0. Next state is produced set state, that is 1, and next S is 1 and R is also 1. This is the invalid state. This is the invalid state. This is the truth table for SR flip-flop. Okay, and next see the characteristic table. Characteristic table for SR. Okay, in SR here using the Qn and S, R, Qn plus 1. This is the next state. Okay, here the inputs are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and next state outputs are here. If the characteristic table is based on truth table. If F is 0 and R is also 0, that state is present state. Okay, if S is 0 and R is also 0, this state is present state, that is the Qn. Here also S is 0 and R is also 0. Okay, here S is 0 and R is also 0. In that case, the present state is 0. So next state is also produced 0, and here set is 0 and reset is also 0. In this case, what is the present state here? 1. Okay, next state is also produced 1. Okay, and next set is 0 and reset is 1. Okay, observe these two. Set is 0 and reset is 1. Set is 0 and reset is 1. Here the set is 0 and reset is 1. Here what is the present state? 0. And here the set is 0 and reset is 1. The set is 0 and reset is 1. Set is 0 and reset is 1. In that case, by using truth table, set is 0, reset is 1. That is reset, that is 0. Okay, and next set is 1 and reset is 0. Here observe, set is 1 and reset is 0. Okay, observe this. Here set is 1, reset is 0. In that case, what is the state here? 1. Okay, set is 1 and set is 1. And next, here set is 1 and reset is also 1. In that case, the next state is invalid state. So indicates X. Okay, this is the characteristic table. And next see the excitation table. Excitation table. In excitation table, we are using the present state and next state. excitation table for yes or flip flop. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, the excitation table is based on characteristic table. Here present state is 0 and next state is also 0. Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is also 0. In that case, in this case, here set is 0. Set is 0. And reset is 0, 1. These two are changes. So the R is indicates don't care. And next present state is 0 and next state is 1. Here the present state is 0 and next state is 1. Observe this point. Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 1. Okay, and next Qn is 0. Okay, here S is 1, reset is 0. S is 1, reset is 0. Okay, and next Qn is 1 and Qn plus 1 is 0. Qn is 1, Qn plus 1 is 0. Okay, observe this state. Qn is 1 and Qn plus 1 is 0. In that case, S is 0 and reset is 1. S is 0 and reset is 1. And next, Qn is 1 and Qn plus 1 is also 1. In that case, Qn is 1 and Qn plus 1 is also 1. Okay, observe these two. Qn is 1 and Qn plus 1 is also 1. In that case, set is changes. This is 0 and this is 1. Okay, 0 and 1. So the state is essentially don't care. And next reset is this is 0 and this one is also 0. Okay, this is the excitation table for yes or flip flop. Okay, and next see the K map for S and R. Okay, K map for yes. In yes, we are using the two inputs. And draw the 2 power of n. The number of cells equal to 2 power of n. That is 2 square, 4 cells. So we draw the 4 cells K map structure. This is Qn plus 1. Draw the 4 cells 0, 1, 2, 3. Here the S is 0 and 0, 1. S is 1 and next 1, 0. Decimal number is 2. 2 cells, second cell is 0 and third cell is X. Here we are grouping the 1 and 3. Okay, in this case this is 0, 1, 0, 1. Here 1, 1. That is Qn plus 1. Qn plus 1. The grouping is 1 and 3. Corresponding the input variable input is Qn plus 1. So write down the S equal to Qn plus 1. This is the characteristic equation. And next K map for R. Here also 4 cells grouping. This is Qn plus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. In R, outputs are 0, 0. 0 cell is X, 0 cell is X, and 1 cell is 0, and second cell is 1, and third cell is also 0. Here the grouping is 1, 0 and 2. This is Qn plus 1 bar. Okay, so write down the R equal to Qn plus 1 bar. This is the R characteristic equation. Okay, and next characteristic table. Here the output is Qn plus 1. So K map for Qn plus 1, and here the inputs are 3 inputs, 2 power of n, that is 2 cube. So we draw the 8 cell K-map structure. Here this is Qn S R 1 2 3 4 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, here the Qn plus 1, 0 cell is 0 and 1 cell is 0 and 2 cell is 1, 3rd cell is x, 4th cell is 1, 5th cell is 0, 6th cell is 1, 7th cell is x. Here the grouping is, these involved don't case also, 2 3 and 7 6. Here this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is 0 1. Here the equation is 1 1, in common variable is 1 1, that is yes. And next group is 4 and 6. This is the second one. In second equation is the corresponding, the input variable is Qn, in vertical is 0 0 1 0. 0 is the common variable, that is R bar. So write down the final equation. Therefore Qn plus 1 equal to S plus Qn into R. This is the characteristic equation. Okay, this is the overall about the characteristic table and excitation table for SR flip-flop. Okay.